O people of the world, children, boys, girls, women, men, all over the world, lovely people, listen us carefully, only for consideration. Request is that please stop war against the people, stop war against the nation, stop war against the countries. Please stop war for ill dominancy and natural resources. Please stop war against the world. Don't destroy beautiful world. Don't destroy people. Don't destroy humanity. Don't split us. Please don't split us in different sects for the natural resources and ill dominancy. Please stop war against the people. Stop war against the human beings. Stop wars against the nations for the natural resources and ill dominancy. Please, 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 please listen us carefully with heart and soul, and only for the consideration. Our request is that don't create a war situation, don't create a quarrel for natural resources and ill dominancy. Please stop war against the human, stop war against the people, stop war against the human beings. Don't destroy the beautiful world for your ill dominancy, for ill dominancy and natural resources.